What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. Alright guys, so Mitch is on his way with the Hyper Blue. We're gonna, start Scooby up, get her warmed up real quick, pull her out, and get the Hyper Blue pulled in. We're gonna start, working on the Apple CarPlay head unit. Shout out to Idoing, by the way. This is an amazing product, they made for these cars. They have it for so many different cars out there. It's definitely, a great head unit, so let's get to it. Clean. Alright guys, so Mitch just pulled up. The Hyper Blue is here, baby. So this thing definitely needs Apple CarPlay. As you guys know, the 15 to 18 Subis don't come with Apple CarPlay, so this is a highly necessary mod for this thing. Shout out to Idoing, such a great product. Let's jump into the install.
Yeah. God, there's so much shit, guy.
Ooh, there is. It looks crazy, brother. I'm not sure what this is.
Farming carton.
Probably. Hand buster coder. I bet you that's exactly what that's for. Farming.
Okay.
Like I said, guys, shout out to Idoing. This is the head unit we are going to be installing. Wired CarPlay, wireless CarPlay, comes with it all. So the unit actually looks super OEM as well. The screen is a great 9-inch, display. Super great quality. Okay. We can put this baby.
What, this? Is this the antenna? Or is that the GPS?
No, this is like 4G. Like, that's nice to have because, if you're next to Wi-Fi or something, you can just connect to it. We'll hook that up. That's super easy. This is your USBs, Mitch.
Alright.
So this will wire wherever you want on your set of console here. Mitch, let's see. I'm gonna put this baby back here so we don't mess with that. Now, we got all the wires out, guys. We're just kind of, gonna go through all the wires. First things first is we're getting everything unboxed.
You gonna pop top? Your radio is different than mine, man. I think you'll take this off first.
Yeah. Yep. It's so nice that they give you trim. Now just those two bolts, Mitch. There you go. And then
Yo, this is right here.
Right out.
That's your fucking my lights.
Oh, dope.
Yeah.
Dope. So yeah, guys, like you saw, you're just gonna wanna take your trim pieces that they do provide you with, which super awesome. Obviously, all cars are gonna be different, but all right, guys. So as you've seen, pretty much. Literally just pop clips as of right now, and then we got two bolts up there that we're about to take out. If you guys are doing this on this exact car, I know there's so many videos out there. You're not even gonna need those.
So I'm about to take these out of here.
And she's out. Just gotta do AC control. Oh. Alright guys, so currently Mitch is getting the AC and heat controls out of the stock head unit. He actually did wrap his.
It looks like shit.
But still clean. Like I said, guys, the 9-inch display, super sick. It's just to give you guys a quick little idea. It's gonna look great.
Wow, that sparkles.
Oh, facts. So we're just gonna start plugging and playing. This, Mitch, is an SD card. If you want to put pictures, you don't have to, or do you ever plan on doing that?
Maybe, yeah.
Put in an SD card. So this is gonna go in. All right, guys. So Mitch is just running the mic wire right now. We pretty much got everything connected to the Idoing. We just need one more vent to be put in, but AC controls are in. Everything's hooked up to the back. So now we literally just got to pretty much plug and play everything there and test it. So alright guys, Mitch has got the Idoing fully installed in the Hyper Blue. Definitely, you know, one of the best head units you can possibly buy for, you know, any STI, WRX, Impreza, literally out there. Their freaking units look OEM. Apple CarPlay works great. It's got wireless CarPlay. You know, you couldn't ask for much more. It even makes the speakers sound so much better. So with the Hyper Blue, you know, having the Harman Kardon, but yeah. But yeah guys, the head unit is literally just, you know, plug and play as you guys seen. We do have a few videos up on the channel about installing this, but super easy. I feel like these cars needed CarPlay, and you know, most of you guys are looking for head units that have Apple CarPlay. This is the way to go, man, for sure. Super OEM. My buddy Mitch did wrap his just to match the inside the flow of his car, like a Galaxy. Super sick. But they do, you know,
like shit.
It is dope. But they do have, you know, carbon fiber and other trims you can buy as well, but obviously, you know, for a little bit more money. But I think super nice upgrade for the Hyper Blue, definitely.